Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but it was likely somebody sending a knife in response to my recent community post about knives that I was looking for review. So thank you so much to whoever sent this. I'm sure we'll find out more when we're inside. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. If you'd like to support me too, there's a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright. And I really have the upward and downward inflections in the... I'm sure that's what my intro sounds like to people who have heard it a bajillion times. Sorry, I'm going to keep doing it. But thanks for those of you who seriously, do support me on Patreon. It really helps. And the people who follow me on Instagram. I like that. Alright. What do we have? We do not have a note. Who was this sent by? This was sent by N. Thank you very much, N. Appreciate that. I mean, that's fine. Privacy is important. If people want to keep their privacy, I have no problem with that. Sorry, I'm getting the... There's a little bit of tape on the outside. I just have to cut it first. What? Oh, no. Wait. Oh, no. I thought there was a note, but no, there isn't. What do we have here? What is this? This is... Boy, this is big. Wait a minute. Holy crap. Is this the brand? Wait a second. What? Oh, my gosh. This is huge. I had no idea how big of a knife this was. Okay. Wow. Seriously, I thought the brand... This is the ProTech brand. Yes, it will be linked down below. You guys can pick it up. I thought this knife was like this. Wow, this thing is a monster. Oh my gosh. So this is an automatic knife, and it's huge. It's not going to be legal for everybody. No, it's not a dagger. The dividing line for the grind is very close to the middle, so it kind of looks like that. But this is... No, this wedge is not sharp. Wow, okay. So I'm a big fan of large knives. I'm also a big fan of being surprised by knives, and that was a very, very pleasant surprise. Typical super powerful action from ProTech. These are US made. For anybody who doesn't know, my opinion of ProTech knives is that the entire company is excellent. These guys make the best, the highest quality side-opening automatic knives in existence, and I don't think there's a bad model in the entire line. Seriously, every single knife that ProTech makes, or at least every single one that I've handled, has been amazing. This is no exception. Beautiful. Very, very cool. Nice deep carry clip, aluminum construction, and likely 154 cm or CPM 154 for the blade steel, which is my favorite blade steel of all time. Yes, even over M390, 20CV 204P, Maximate, K390, Rex 45, 3V, M4. I can go on. Should do a wrap with every single blade steel. No, I won't do that. Don't ask me to do it. One more for good measure. Okay. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Man, I'm so excited that it's a larger one. I mean, that it's larger than I thought. I can't believe that. Very comfortable in the hand. Lots of room on the handle. How big is this? I'm going to guess it's 8.75. It could be... Let me guess it's 8.75. Holy moly, it's friggin' 9 inches overall. 4-inch blade. Oh my gosh. That's nuts. I had no idea. Man, I think they could get away with a mini brand. Do they have a mini brand? I don't know. This isn't a review, guys. It's the first time I've ever handled this. If you're new to my channel, what I like to do is unbox it, give my first initial impressions organically, right? Because it tends to be kind of sloppy and all over the place. And then I have a much more structured, fully comprehensive review that comes a couple of weeks down the road. Those are generally about 20 minutes long, where I go over every last little thing about the knife, give my impressions, right? So that's what this is. Anyways, yeah, I know that there are a few different variants of this knife, so I'll link everything that I can find down below. You guys can check it out. Really cool. Thank you so much to the person who sent this in. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.